Hello everyone, so welcome. Today's video is all about Docker installation on Ubuntu. So some prerequisites for Docker installation is we need a 64-bit version of one of these Ubuntu versions. It can be 2004, 1910, 1804 and 1604. So there are two types of Docker being released from Docker. So docker-ce, that is community edition, and docker-ee. So docker-ce is free and open source. Docker-ee is premium version of CE. There are a few differences. It is having more support. It's having certified Docker images. So first thing is we are going to just remove the old version of Docker. So we do it by apt-remove, and then after that we are going to install prerequisite packages that can be apt-transport-https, CS certificates, curl, gnupg-agents, and then we are going to install a gpg key. After that, we are going to set up our stable repository that we will do with apt-add, and then we are going to update it and we are going to install it. After installation, we are going to run hello world docker. Okay, let's open up our terminal. Let's check if we have Docker. So Docker, we don't have Docker installed. So I have another file in which I have written the steps. So what I'll do is I'll copy it. The first thing is we are going to remove it, remove old Docker from our system if we have any. So we do it by this. Upon successful completion, we are sure that we don't have the old versions, and then after that we are updating it, sudo apt-update. And now we're going to install a prerequisites. So these are few packages which is required by Docker. So we are installing it. Now the step is we are going to add the key, gnu gpg key. So that will be like done by this. I'll be pasting this command list all in the description of this video. Now we are going to add a stable repository. So stable repository can be added by this particular command. Yeah. So again, after adding a stable repository, it's always good to update. So sudo apt-update is done. Now we are going to install the Docker engine. So there are three things: docker-ce, docker-ce-cli, and containerd.io. We have Docker installed. We can check it by just doing Docker. So now let's do docker run hello world. It says permission denied, so maybe I'll just switch to a super user. That I'll do is sudo -s and then run a docker run hello world. Finally, we have the image, and then we are having a hello from Docker, and this gives you information, more information. Maybe you can go through it. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. See you in next video. So this is all about how you install Docker in Ubuntu.